his arms are so small.
What if he kicks you?
There you go.
Yeah.
Get out. Be nice.
You want me to leave it in? Let me show you.
Can we leave those on all night?
Well, like he could take your feet and stomp on. We figured out how to undo them. Oh, can you cuff me next?
Yeah. Huh?
Cuff me next. Do me next. Me. No, you're doing me next.
Okay. So you don't wear very good. Now,
I was
if
just.
he wanted to,
Listen, boys, listen up. Listen up.
if he wanted to be,
Hey, listen.
yeah, don't lock yourself in these, okay? Forgot to tell you that.
Ow. Do me next.
All right.
Nope.
If he wanted to be a problem, once he gets arrested and he doesn't want to go where we tell him to go, well, it's kind of, he's going to go, he's either going to walk forward, or he's going to walk backwards, or he's going to put a little twist on these, which I'm not going to do. And it hurts.
I give permission.
No. I ain't leaving a mark. But it hurts. Another game is called pain. People do, when it hurts, people are more likely to do what you want them to.
He's hurting so
Don't
much.
put them on. Don't put them on.
All right.
Do me next.
KJ, that better be the only time I ever see you in handcuffs.
Oh, is he yours?